What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Brandy, and I'm here, just chilling in the crib. You hear that? My boyfriend's dumbass music. Laughing out the ass. I don't want to hear that shit. But yeah, I got my fucking headphones in. So, let me tell y'all what happened today, honey. Okay. Now, today I chose to wear short, little white shorts. I don't know what the infatuation with me and white is, but I love white. It looks good on me. It always looks good on me because I'm such a dark skin color, and so it contrasts against my skin color, and it makes me look amazing, honey. But anyway, just making sure something. Anyways, since y'all really can't hear me right now, I'm gonna pause it right down here, and I'm gonna wait till he turns the music down, and I'm gonna do it again.